Welcome to Review Lab. The best golf essentials is probably one of the most exciting sports to get into, but it can also be a bit daunting when you're just starting out. With so many different clubs, balls, and accessories on the market, it's tough to know where to begin. That's why I've put together this guide to the essential golf equipment you need to get started, so you can focus on what really matters, enjoying the game. Number 5. Outdoor Essentials UV Arm Sleeves, Golf Cooling Sleeves. These sleeves provide UPF 50+ protection. They are perfect for outdoor activities, work, or even driving. It's ideal for construction workers, athletes, and motorcyclists. Made from breathable, sweat-wicking fabric, these sleeves keep you cool. They improve airflow, ensuring comfort all day long. Need to cover tattoos? These sleeves offer a polished look for any work or event. The sleek design makes them suitable for any professional setting. With a 4-way stretched nylon spandex blend, it offers a snug yet comfortable fit. You can move freely without them slipping, whether you're lifting, running, or driving. Always have a fresh pair ready for work, sports, or daily use. These sleeves are a convenient way to stay protected and comfortable. What we like. These arm sleeves offer UPF 50+ protection, shielding you from the sun's harmful rays. They are also made of breathable fabric, keeping you cool and dry even in the heat. If you're looking for a way to stay protected and comfortable during outdoor activities or work, you should consider these. What people say. The divot tool is well made and the ball marker is magnetic. The brush is great for cleaning clubs. The alignment stick is a great addition to the set. Number 4. OCOOPA UT3 Lite, Rechargeable Magnetic Hand Warmers. Feeling cold? These hand warmers heat up in just 5 seconds. They offer instant warmth, perfect for those chilly days. With 3 temperature settings, you can customize the warmth to your liking. Whether you're outdoors or relaxing indoors, it has you covered. The 2 hand warmers connect magnetically for double-sided heat. You can also separate them for individual use, offering flexibility and convenience. These warmers are ultra-slim and lightweight, easily fitting into your pockets or gloves. You won't even notice them, but you'll definitely feel the warmth. It's UL certified with a safety temperature control chip, ensuring safe daily use. The USB-C charging with a dust-resistant cover adds to its reliability. Looking for a thoughtful gift? This is ideal for family, friends, or anyone who suffers from cold hands. It's great for various activities, from sports events to cozy nights. What we like. These hand warmers provide instant warmth with adjustable heat settings, perfect for those chilly days. The magnetic design allows you to use them separately or together, offering flexibility. If you have cold hands during outdoor events or commutes, you should consider these. What people say. The divot tool is well made and the ball marker is magnetic. The brush is great for cleaning clubs. The golf towel is absorbent and has a clip to attach to your bag. Number 3. Gogogo Sport Pro GS24 Golf and Hunting Rangefinder. This is the most cost-effective rangefinder on the market. It provides reliable performance for golfing, hunting, and other professional applications. It's designed to meet your needs. This rangefinder offers high-precision distance measurement. It integrates the latest functions, including continuous range readings and arc. You can rely on it for accuracy. With 7x magnification and a measuring range from 5 to 1,200 yards, it helps you see clearly. The flagpole locking function supports a distance of up to 150 yards. It is a great tool. The MTL version features a slope switch, allowing you to turn off the slope function. This makes it tournament legal. It also features a magnetic mount. We are confident in our product and offer a 1-year warranty. If you encounter any quality issues, please contact us. We are here to help you. What we like. This rangefinder provides high-precision distance measurement with a slope function for accurate readings. It also offers a tournament-legal version with a slope switch. If you are a golfer looking to improve your game with precise distance measurements, you should consider this. What people say. The divot tool is well made and the ball marker is magnetic. The brush is great for cleaning clubs. The alignment stick is a great training aid. Number 2. Golf Essentials Kit, must-have golf accessories. This kit has everything you need on the course. It's the perfect gift for any golfer, providing convenience and essential tools all in one place. All items easily attached to your golf bag. This set ensures easy access and ultimate convenience while you're playing. This towel is highly absorbent and quick drying. It's great for keeping your clubs clean and wiping sweat off your face. The brush is two-sided with strong bristles and a groove cleaner. It helps remove dirt and grass from your clubs and spikes. The foldable tool is made from strong metal and includes a magnetic golf ball marker. It's a handy tool to have on the course for repairing divots. What we like. This Golf Essentials kit includes all the necessary accessories for a day on the course. Everything attaches to your golf bag for easy access and ultimate convenience. If you are looking for a complete and convenient set of golf accessories, you should consider this. What people say. Microfiber towel. This towel is a lifesaver on the course. It's ultra-absorbent and dries quickly, perfect for keeping my clubs spotless and wiping away sweat during those intense rounds. Retractable cleaning brush. The two-sided brush with strong bristles and groove cleaner is a godsend. It effortlessly removes dirt and grass from my clubs and spikes, ensuring I get the best performance out of them every time. Divot repair tool. Sturdy and convenient, this tool is a must-have. The foldable design with an assisted opening makes it easy to carry, and the magnetic ball marker is a nice touch. It's robust enough to handle any divot on the green. Number 1. JWM Men's Golf Joggers, Slim Fit, Tapered. These joggers from JWM are designed for both the golf course and everyday wear. They offer a slim fit with a tapered leg, ensuring a modern look. The stretch fabric provides all-day comfort and freedom of movement. Made with a stretch fabric, these pants move with you. Whether you're swinging a golf club or navigating your daily routine, it provides unrestricted motion. You'll appreciate the flexibility this offers. Featuring belt loops, these joggers can be dressed up or down. Add a belt for a more formal occasion or wear them casually. It's a versatile choice for any wardrobe. These pants are ideal for various activities. From business travel to casual outings, they provide both style and comfort. It's a great option for those who want to look good and feel good. These joggers come in multiple inseam sizes to ensure the perfect fit. Choose from 29 or 34 to match your height and preference. It's designed to provide a comfortable and tailored fit. What we like. These golf joggers are made with stretch fabric for a comfortable fit. They have a slim fit and are suitable for both casual and business wear. If you like a versatile pair of pants that can be worn on and off the golf course, you should consider these. What people say. They strike the perfect balance between performance functionality and casual style, which makes them incredibly versatile, ideal not only for golfing but also for everyday wear, travel, or just lounging in comfort. The elastic waistband with adjustable drawstring is a game-changer for comfort, especially during long rounds or when you're on your feet for hours. Another highlight is the pockets, deep enough to hold tees, a phone, or keys without feeling bulky. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.